In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Wix booking app to your site and set up your first service. By the end of this tutorial, your visitors will be able to book with you directly from your website in a clean, professional way. Let's start inside your Wix editor. On the left side of the screen, look for the option that lets you add new content to your page. You'll see an icon that allows you to add a section. Go ahead and click on that Add Section icon. This is where Wix keeps a lot of pre-designed sections you can drop straight onto your page. Once the panel opens, look through the categories and find the one labeled Booking. This is the section dedicated to appointments and services. Click on Booking to see the different layouts and styles available. Take a moment to preview the options, then select the booking layout that fits your site's design and needs. When you select it, Wix will automatically add that booking section to your page. Now that the booking app is on your page, locate the Book Now button within that section. This is what your visitors will click to schedule a service. Click on the Book Now button yourself so you can access the settings behind it. From here, you'll see an option to manage your services. Click on Manage Services. This takes you into the dashboard where all of your appointments, classes, or sessions will be organized. Since you're just getting started, you'll want to add your first service. Click on Add New Service. Wix will ask what type of service you want to create. From there, you'll see fields to fill in the details. Carefully complete everything that's relevant. Give your service a clear name, add a helpful description, set the duration, choose a price if needed, and define things like location and staff member if applicable. Make sure the information matches how you actually run this service in real life, so your clients know exactly what to expect. As you move through these fields, just follow the on-screen prompts. Wix will guide you step by step through any additional settings, such as availability, images, or advanced options. Take your time here. The more accurate and complete your details are, the more professional your booking experience will feel. Once you're happy with all the information, scroll to the bottom or top of the panel and click on Save. This saves your new service and connects it to the booking app on your page. After saving, you can preview your site to make sure everything looks and works the way you want. And that's it. You've added the Wix booking app, created a new service, and saved it so visitors can now click Book Now and schedule directly through your site.